Hi everybody, this is Shai again. On today's special we have the very famous falafel sandwich. Falafel sandwich is one of the most known fast food sandwich in many countries around the world. Now you can find it almost everywhere. The falafel sandwich is made out of falafel balls, of course, fresh pita bread, some vegetables, and some sauces. We're going to start off by making the falafel. We're going to soak a pound of garbanzo beans overnight for about 24 hours. And that's the final result. That's what we'll get. We're going to need some parsley, cilantro, onion, and some garlic. We're going to chop the cilantro and parsley. We're going to cut the onions to fairly small pieces. Once we're done with that, we're going to put everything into a food processor. We're going to chop it for about a minute or two until it becomes finely chopped. We're going to add 7 cloves of garlic, minced garlic, and the garbanzo beans. And then blend everything together. It's going to take a few minutes until we get a very thin mix of everything. It's important to have it thin, otherwise it won't stick together. If your food processor is not big enough, you can separate the quantities and do it in 2 rounds. Once we're done processing, it should look like this. Now we're going to add the spices. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to put half a teaspoon of coriander, and we're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now we're going to mix it by hand for about 3 to 4 minutes until we're going to get a uniform falafel mix. Next thing we want to do is to put some oil in a pot and let it warm to 370 degrees. I'm using the falafel maker, which is an amazing device that helps me make uniform falafel balls. And it's very easy to use. Just need to press the spring, put the falafel mix into it, and then release it slowly. I got my falafel maker from makefalafel.com. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna put the falafel balls inside. The smell is amazing. We're going to let the falafel balls fry for a minute or two before we touch them so they won't break. And then we're going to see if they move freely in the oil. As you can see, some of them are almost done. We're going to take out the ones that are done into a strainer. They look so delicious. Alright, now we have our falafel balls. Next step is to combine everything to the falafel sandwich. To make a falafel sandwich, a part of the falafel balls will need, of course, a fresh pita bread, some shredded lettuce, some tomatoes and cucumbers, pickles, some spicy sauce, and some tahini sauce, which you can find the recipe for them in other videos of mine. We'll start by taking the pita bread, putting some tahini inside, some spicy sauce if you like it a little spicy. We'll start to put the falafel balls on the bottom, and then some lettuce, some tomatoes and cucumbers, some pickles, maybe some more tahini, some more falafel balls. We're going to top it with pickles and a little bit of more tahini. And here you have it, a delicious, healthy falafel sandwich. Falafels can be made for every event or any party as a snack food. It's very healthy because it's made out of fresh ingredients. You can find it almost everywhere, and I'm sure that everyone that's going to taste these falafel balls is going to be extremely happy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.